So there were some rumors going around that Triumph might be unveiling their dirt bike at Atlanta this weekend, or this weekend in general. And it did get revealed this weekend, but not exactly in the way you think. And from that photo right there, you can kind of tell, yeah, the video is about 144p and looks like it was filmed in 1999, but we do have something, and this is Clement Sell test riding the 250F in Europe, and this is going to be, he is one of the new test riders, or one of the test riders they signed for test riding. That makes sense. Test riding the bike, and this is, I think, in Italy somewhere. It says an Italian magazine has this, so I'm assuming it's Italy. But as you can tell, it's a dirt bike. Obviously, the video is absolutely horrible, but if it's a dirt bike they have made, it is a fully running, fully jumping, generally looks fast, 2 wheels and a motor dirt bike, and that's pretty much all you really need at the moment. They're not going to be racing, I think, until next year, if I remember that right. 2024 they'll be doing 250, and then next year they'll be 2025 they'll be doing a 450, if I remember that correctly. Somebody in the comments below correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's how it's going to work. And there's a little slow-mo, maybe you can get a better view of it. It's pretty bland, just a black body or black plastics and 2 wheels and an engine. But if it's running, it's jumping, and it's going, that means they've made something. And in the comments below, I want to hear you, because obviously this is Ricky Carmichael, Clement Sell. They have a bunch of people that they've brought in, to Ivan Tedesco, also another test rider. So they have the names, they have the people, and they have maybe the technology and the smarts to build it. The question is, how well do you think it's going to do, being a new team jumping in to MX2? And again, if I'm wrong, I don't think they're doing American motocross until 2024. I could be wrong about that, but comment down below. How well do you think it's going to do? Good, bad, who cares? Great for the sport because it's another factory that's going to be pumping money into it. Whatever it is, comment it down below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.